Cinnamon has antioxidant properties and may help improve insulin sensitivity. In cases where fatty liver is associated with insulin resistance, cinnamon's effects on blood sugar regulation may be beneficial. Ginger. Some research suggests that ginger may help reduce liver injury and fat accumulation, which could be advantageous for individuals with fatty liver disease. Garlic has been traditionally used for its medicinal properties, including potential benefits for the liver. It contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Turmeric. Studies have shown that curcumin may help reduce liver fat accumulation and inflammation in cases of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It may also support overall liver health by protecting liver cells from oxidative stress. Ingredients: turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, garlic seeds. Drink 1 glass before bed.